We are here at the Pine Street ramp here in Green Bay, Wisconsin, where they have 4 Dover elevators we're going to take a look at. The first one is right here on the corner. So here's the first elevator. Now it says elevator number 2, but we're going to be starting with this one. It's a Dover, you can see here. They have the original indicators, but unfortunately new buttons, and this is the same with all of them. We have innovation. There's some construction going on here in the garage, so we're going to hear a lot of noise. Five. You can see there where the old indicator used to be, it says elevator 2. Just love all the construction sound effects. All right, here we are at 1. Now we're going to walk down there to the bank of 2 elevators. Here we're at the bank of 2 with elevator 3 and 4. We'll start off with elevator 3. See, it's exactly the same. And this one has the old logo on it still. Now we're going to ride car number 4, which is right here. Here's the map of the garage. There's 4 elevators. There goes car 3. Here's car 4. I hear an alarm of some sort. 5. There's a view outside. This is a very interesting laid out garage. The next elevator is actually right there, kind of in the middle of the other part of the garage. Very interesting. Only 85 cents an hour here. As you can see, these are all the same. All the same. Here, everyone. The alarm is still going off. But anyway, now we need to go see elevator number 1. So let's go see that one. All right, and here we are at the final elevator. Funny enough, elevator number 1. Again, it's the exact same thing as the others. Same mod, same cab, same buttons, literally the same everything. looks like we may be getting a bit of rain. While we're up here though, let's take a look at the map. You can see how interesting this garage is. So there's the first elevator we rode here, and then here's the bank of 2. You have to walk through here, and then here's this one. Original Dover lantern. Here at 1. So that was a little tour of all the elevators here at the Pine Street parking ramp in Green Bay. And with that being said, that'll be it.